Hi, Donald. You're up on Sylvain's cage, and this is what typically happens. Got poor Sylvain over here, looking very sad and concerned. Got Donald, who just thinks it's his cage. He's gonna chew the grape leaves, play with the toys, come down and bug Sylvain eventually. And then Sylvain falls on the floor, and I get Donald off the cage, and Sylvain gets back on his cage up the ladder. Poor Sylvain. Well, is it time for me to come rescue everybody? Hi, Silverbird. You're such a sweet boy. This sucks. Do you want to step up? Do you want to step up backwards? Good boy. There you go. That's a good bird. Not happy. Want to climb the ladder for me? Okay, Silverbird. Climb the ladder. There you go. You can climb the ladder. Good boy. Okay, go up there. Good boy. Yeah, I haven't got him off yet. No. Oh, you hear Molly. Molly's doing his bump. Okay, I'll get Donald off your cage. Hi, Donald. That's not your cage you're chewing stuff up on, you know. Let's see. Here, baby. Step up. That's a good boy. That's my Donald bird. Okay, back to your cage. Step down. Good dog. Okay, I'm going to close your door.